Okay, what am I gonna play against Sammy? Let's play G6 anyway. This is a little bit dangerous, by the way. Let's play A6 and B5. I guess I'll go here. Just simple chess. Maybe I'll go C6 B5. This is what what was I gonna say? This is what I played against Jeffrey the other day in Title Tuesday. Or yeah, in an earlier title. So what am I saying? Okay, let's go. I could go B4 somewhere. I mean, I don't know if B4 is good or not though. No, I think I'm just gonna go knight f6. Keep it simple. See if he takes or not. Oh right, he can go C5. I forgot that this existed. I guess I'll go B4. I really don't like my position. This is garbage. I guess I'll go here on H6. Pretty ugly. Pretty ugly, but it is what it is, as the saying goes. Now, I could play H6 here to kick the knight. I assume I should play H6 first. Like A5, maybe? And maybe H5? Really don't like this. I have bishop A6, maybe? I think I'm gonna try to get rid of my bishop, because this bishop's very bad. I gotta get rid of this bishop. Go here, I guess. One of my COVID songs. For you. Yes, this is a song that brings back some memories. Ooh, you. Let's go here and trade some queens. This is a pretty bad position I have. Actually, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. It's pretty terrible. I mean, I guess I go knight d7. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is such garbage for me. I can play f5. I can also take and play like f6. I'm gonna take and play f6. I gotta start spicing up the game a little bit. Maybe I should have gone f5, but whatever. Maybe I go... I'm gonna go here to try and confuse him. So f5, knight f8 back. I'm actually way too slow this game, though. I just realized I'm way too slow. Goes a3. I mean, can I take? Takes with a d pawn. Okay, so I take. So I go here. I mean, my position's actually like total garbage. Total garbage. It's like really poor. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna lose this game, so I just have nothing. How do I try to confuse the situation? Yeah, nothing's working here for me. Nah, it's just garbage. This opening did not go the way I was hoping it would. Oh, I blundered knight g5. It's also knight g5 too, but whatever. This isn't working either. No, I'm also down like 10 years on the clock. Oh, is there some knight e5 trick that I have? Or some like d4 knight f4 trick, or does this not even work? I thought I had knight e5. Oh, it doesn't even work. Splat. It just doesn't even work. Oh, he's guarding with twice. He's guarding it twice anyway. What? No, he's guarding it twice. Maybe I'll go here. Oh, we can also just do this, I guess. Nah, it's just losing. It's not worth it. It's just losing. Yeah, that's just losing. Just a